Hi makeup lovers, this is SHEHLA today. So this is my going out spring look, very simple, and I have paired the eyes with the green color of my outfit, and I have paired the blusher and the lipstick with the embroidery on it. It can be a bit more pinkish, but I wanted to stay here, like this is a beautiful color to wear. The shade of the lipstick that I am wearing is Angel, and it is Bobby Brown. It's a beautiful shade for summers. I would definitely recommend it. Very creamy, long lasting as well. So our today's tutorial is not going to be about learning anything at all. It will be like not a makeup tutorial. It's going to be about elevation of your makeup, how to enhance your makeup so it looks more polished than other people. So there are few tricks that I'm going to share today. The very first thing that I always do once I have done my makeup is that I run the spoolie through my brows. I have not set it up with the gel yet. I have only filled them in with a thin brow pencil. So this will clean up any mess that got in the makeup during the application. And now I will take a gel and run the spoolie upward like this. Now for the inner corner. You can never leave your inner corner bare. I have used this Surat Beauty Nude. It has a beautiful two-way thing. One is this that we use for the inner corner application, and then it has a nude color like this which you can apply in the lower waterline. So the dark colors in the lower waterline during the day, I won't recommend them much. During the day, the lighter colors go better, much better than the dark colors. So this is one more trick that works for you. Now another one, when you are applying the blusher, you can see my blusher here. I have applied Bella Bamba by Benefit. This is the blusher that I am wearing, a very dark shade. So as you can see on this one, it looks really dark. I have just popped it in, tap off the excess and start from the highest point and stop here. Then I will do the same on the other side. Now do not stop on one shade of blusher. We need two blushers. One will be darker, the other one will be slightly lighter. So what will this slightly lighter in the same shade do? We will use that to bring out the color. So the darker one stays here and the lighter one goes down. We don't want to go too dark all the way. Gives a lifted appearance to the face. This is one of the most working tricks. No one has ever told you that. I'm sure about that. What you will do, you will take a fluffy brush, anything, and you will just blend out. For the highlighter shade, we have Jaclyn Hill, but most of it is dark for me. So I would stick to this color here, and then I will take a bit of it here, tap off the axis, and then I will go on the highest point of the cheek. I have already applied. I'm reapplying it for you to see how it is done. Here, then here, and then here. The next step, when you're doing the lipstick, always line your lips first with a contour shade. Then you will go in with the shade which is matching with the lipstick, and then your lipstick. When you have applied your lipstick, we will blot. This is how blotting is done. One coat and then another coat. And I will take a disposable lipstick van. These are available on Amazon, disposable ones. Or you can take a lip brush. I don't want to wash that, so I use. And you will spread and blend out and then reblot. So this lipstick is gonna stay for a few hours, maybe. It's not going anywhere. So once this is done, now the next step, we will be going for the further enhancement of this cut that we have here. So it will further cheekbones higher, like a natural lift, like this. I will take a Tarte Shade Tip concealer in the same shade as I am, and I have applied only a 3 blots here. So these 3 blots are good. I will take the brush that I used for my foundation and I will just go in there. The same I did on the other side. Now let's work on this double chin a little bit. So if you think you can still see the double chin, take the cream contour, do like this, go on the part where you have mostly your double chin to blend it out and blend down. Take a brush like this. This is by MAC 287, very important. Now you can see that you always get some creasing under the eye and along the nose. I have like this clean, so I run it here and it cleans any of the concealer or the foundation that sets in there. Now if you can see, I am going around here. Why? Because we always leave that part alone. And then here, and then under the eye. So any of the product, you can see the product got in here. That was there, it is now on my brush. What I will do, I will take some powder and then I will run along here, 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 here. So none of the product sets there anymore. One more very important last step. Not last, second last, okay. Always run a bit of your bronzer or the contour into the lid. Whatever shade you use in the crease, not like blue or anything, like a shade that you use to darken the crease, run a bit of the bronzer here. And then this bronzer has to go under the eye. Why use under the eye? Any ideas? So I will tell you, you all have the lines under the eyes. When you use this bronzer under the eyes, it reduces the appearance of those eyes. Very important trick, works every time. And now the last, take the shade that you used as a blusher on the same brush that you used in the crease. I used a big one and I will run some of the product into the crease. What it will do, it will tie the whole look together in the crease. One more thing, if you think your eyes is not giving the lifted appearance that you need, what you can do, take a liner, and any liner, liquid, cream, whatever, give it a bit of the wing here, and again bit of the wing here. It does not matter if you apply the liner along the whole lash line, okay? It is not the question here. You just want the lift and this wing is giving it to you. So that's one of the very important steps in applying makeup. So this is the finished look of this makeup, and these are the tips and the tricks tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. Please do try these tricks and share the feedback with me. Thank you very much for watching. Love you, darling.